Have you ever wondered how the world functioned before electricity? Let's take a step back into history, to a time when the concept of electricity was nothing more than a spark of curiosity. The ancient Greeks were among the first to stumble upon this enigmatic force around 600 BC. Through simple observations, they discovered static electricity by rubbing fur against amber, a phenomenon that was as mysterious as it was fascinating. Fast forward a few centuries, the ancient Egyptians found their own unique interaction with electricity. They observed the shocking power of electric fish and used it for medical treatments, a rudimentary form of electrotherapy, if you will. Electricity, as we know it, started off as a simple observation, a curiosity, a wonder that captured the minds of our ancestors. From static shocks to electric fish, these early interactions with electricity laid the foundation of our modern understanding. Without these early discoveries, our understanding of electricity could have been vastly different. The Age of Enlightenment, a period known for its intellectual and scientific achievements, also brought about significant developments in the understanding of electricity. This era, from the late 17th to the 18th century, was a time of great minds, and among them were key figures who made monumental strides in the field of electricity. Firstly, we have the ever-curious Benjamin Franklin, a polymath who wore many hats. In 1752, Franklin decided to fly a kite during a thunderstorm, a dangerous experiment that led to the discovery that lightning is indeed a form of electricity. This revelation was crucial, as it gave the world a new perspective on the natural phenomena around us. Next, we move on to Luigi Galvani, an Italian physician, physicist, and philosopher. In 1780, Galvani discovered bioelectricity when he made frogs' legs twitch as if alive by striking them with a spark of electricity. This observation affirmed the presence of electricity in living beings, opening up a whole new field of study. Lastly, we have Alessandro Volta, another Italian physicist, who in 1800 invented the first true electric battery, the voltaic pile. Volta's invention gave scientists a reliable source of electric current for their experiments, marking a significant milestone in the history of electricity. These groundbreaking discoveries paved the way for the technological revolution that was to come. As we moved into the Industrial Revolution, the understanding and application of electricity took a dramatic turn. During this period of rapid industrial and societal change, a few key figures emerged, their discoveries and inventions laying the groundwork for our modern understanding and use of electricity. Among these trailblazers was Michael Faraday. In 1821, Faraday invented the electric motor, a device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. This was a breakthrough that brought the world a step closer to mechanization. But Faraday wasn't done. He also discovered electromagnetic induction, a principle that explains how a changing magnetic field can induce an electric current in a conductor. This was a discovery of monumental importance, the principle that underpins the workings of most modern electric devices, from generators to transformers. In the whirlwind of technological advancements, Samuel Morse entered the scene in 1837. Morse invented the telegraph, a device that used electricity to send messages over long distances. This was the beginning of instant communication, a precursor to the telephones and internet we're familiar with today. Fast forward to 1879, and we find Thomas Edison lighting up the world with his practical light bulb. Edison's bulb was a marvel of its time, a device that could provide light for hours on end, replacing the flickering, short-lived candles and gas lamps of the past. Last, but certainly not least, we have Nikola Tesla. Tesla is best known for his contributions to the design of the modern alternating current electricity supply system. His work paved the way for the safe and efficient transmission of electrical power over long distances, a critical component of our modern electrical grid. These inventions not only revolutionized industries, but also dramatically changed everyday life. From the motors that power our machines, to the lights that brighten our nights, to the systems that bring electricity to our homes, we owe much to these pioneers of the Industrial Revolution. The advancements of the past paved the way for the electrified world we live in today. A world where electricity is no longer a novelty, but a necessity. The quiet hum of electricity is the soundtrack to our modern lives, powering everything from the smallest light bulb in our homes to the largest industries on the planet. Today, electricity is more than just a source of light or heat. It's the lifeblood of technological advancement, enabling telecommunications and the internet. It's allowed us to connect with people across the globe in an instant, opening up a world of knowledge at our fingertips. It's fueled revolutions in industries, from healthcare and education to entertainment and commerce. But the story of electricity is far from over. Researchers around the world continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydroelectric power are becoming increasingly prevalent, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and moving us towards a more sustainable future. Electric vehicles are no longer a distant dream, but a reality, promising a future where our travels leave a lighter footprint on the planet. As we stand on the brink of these exciting new frontiers, we're reminded that the story of electricity is one of constant evolution and innovation. As we continue to innovate, who knows what electrifying future lies ahead? From ancient civilizations to the modern world, electricity has been a driving force of progress. The Greeks were the first to discover static electricity, a concept that would spark curiosity and innovation for generations to come. This was the dawn of electricity, the first flicker in a long journey of discovery. As we moved into the Age of Enlightenment, the understanding of electricity became more refined. It was no longer a mysterious force, but a scientific phenomenon to be studied and harnessed. This era gave birth to many groundbreaking theories and inventions, setting the stage for the Industrial Revolution. During the Industrial Revolution, the power of electricity was truly realized. It was the birth of modern electricity, leading to the widespread use we see today. Electricity now powers our homes, our industries, our technology. It's an integral part of our daily lives, a testament to the relentless human spirit. As we switch off the lights on this topic, remember, every flick of a switch, every charged device is a testament to centuries of curiosity, ingenuity, and progress.